only one person get this right. Minus 3 plus minus 3 minus 4. Inside the parentheses minus 3. Okay, minus 3 plus minus plus 3 minus 4, right? Now minus 3 plus 3. Minus plus minus. So 0 and minus 4. Now 0 minus 4 equals minus 4. But this is wrong. Why? Because plus minus rule, right? So I will show you. Minus 3, okay, minus and minus equals plus, right? Minus minus plus. So minus plus minus and plus minus equals minus. So here is minus 3 and here plus minus minus, right? So minus 3, not plus 3, and minus 4. Now minus 3 and minus 3 equals minus plus, sorry, minus minus plus, so 3 3 6. But here is minus and minus 4. Now minus 6 minus 4, minus minus plus 10, right? But here is minus.